In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include a file uploads feature to your website in WordPress. This can be an incredibly valuable tool enabling your visitors to upload files directly onto your site, whether they're submitting resumes, sending images, or sharing documents. Let's dive right in and get this set up in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. This will take you to your dashboard where you'll have access to all the sites you manage. Now, if you have a Google account, there's a quick and seamless way to log in using Google. Click on Continue with Google, and you'll see a list of Google accounts that are available on your device. Choose the Google account that's connected to your WordPress. This streamlines the login process and is both fast and secure. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a panel on the right-hand side labeled Quick Links. Here you'll find an option that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you into the editing interface where you can make all the necessary changes to your website. Now, to add the file uploads feature, we need to insert a new block. This is a straightforward process in WordPress's block editor. At the top left corner of your screen, you should see a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding diverse elements to your page. Click on the plus icon to access the block options. The next step involves a simple search. In the search bar that appears, type in the word file. As you type, you'll see a list of block options filtering down to what you're searching for. Keep an eye out for the file block option. Once you see the file block appear in the list, simply click on it. This action will insert a file upload option into your page wherever your cursor is currently located within the editor. Now you have a file upload block on your site that visitors can use to send you files directly. And that's it, you've successfully incorporated a file uploads feature into your WordPress website, providing an interactive and user-friendly experience for your visitors. It's a fantastic way to expand the functionality of your site, making it more versatile and engaging. As always, make sure to preview and test any changes you make to ensure everything is working correctly. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and insightful tutorials on enhancing your website's capabilities. See you next time.